To machine the part in two different setups, we will need to have two separate programs. To be able to post-process the operations of each setup separately, we will create them under different toolpath groups with different NC names. First, click on Toolpath Group 1 and click on it again. Then enter the name Setup Number 1 and press Enter. Right-click on Setup Number 1, click Edit Selected Operations, and change the NC file name. Change it to Setup Number 1 and press OK. We will now create a new toolpath group. Right-click on Machine Group 1, and under Groups, select New Toolpath Group. Change the name to Setup Number 2 and press Enter. You may need to change the insert arrow. To do so, click these buttons. Now we will set the work coordinate system to the bottom. The work coordinate system is the active coordinate system in use by Mastercam at any given time. The WCS contains the orientation of the X, Y, Z axes, plus the location of the origin. This tells Mastercam how your part is positioned or oriented in the machine. The construction plane is the plane in which the geometry is created. The tool plane is the plane normal to Z or the vertical tool axis in which the tool moves. When creating a tool path, both C-plane and T-plane should be set to the same plane. If T-plane is different from the WCS, the post will produce a rotary motion code. By setting the C-plane, T-plane, and WCS to one plane, no rotary move will be generated in the code, which is what you want when machining parts with multiple setups. In this step, you will set the WCS, the C-plane, and the T-plane to a new plane that can be defined using existing geometry. In our case, we will define the plane using two lines. To create a new plane based on existing geometry, click on the plus sign and select From Geometry. Change your view to isometric. Select the first line here, then select the second line. Change the orientation using these buttons until the orientation matches this one. X in this direction, Z in this direction, and Y in this direction. Then press OK. Change the name to Setup Number 2 Plane and change the origin to minus 1.65 inches. Then press OK. Now we will set the work coordinate system, tool plane, and construction plane to the newly created Setup Number 2 plane. Click on the equal icon. Change the X origin to minus 1.65 and the Z origin to 0.125 and press Enter. Then change your view to top and fit to screen.